IPA cleaning device assembly machine is a high-speed machine which integrates the most advanced technology for vision-guided robotic manipulation and precision cam followed mechanisms, resulting in the best combination for an accurate assembly of the product. The machine performs the assembly with the highest efficiency, while complying with the strictest regulations for the medical device industry. The target is to perform an assembly of a blue plastic cup together with white foam, 0.2 alcohol milliliters, and close it with an aluminum lid foil at a rate of 160 parts per minute. To reach the target, the system includes high-speed bowl feeders which orientate the parts and feed the machine in a continuous way. Continuing the process, a stainless steel conveyor moves all the parts through the different assembly systems until finishing the product, which is delivered in bulk format at the end of the machine. Cups feeding station. The first station of the machine receives the cups from the bowl feeder after they are oriented in a single line. A stainless steel feeding screw separates them in 8 positions and prepares the cups for a pick-and-place device that places the cups into the belt. All the movements are perfectly synchronized by the PLC through an Ethernet bus, which sends the right commands to the servo-actuated screw and the pneumatic pick-and-place. Foam feeding station. 2 twin stations working in parallel at 80 parts per minute perform the orientation and introduction of the foam into the cups. The latest technology in vision-guided robotic handling is used to orientate the foams. A high-resolution camera works together with a parallel robot and an encoder to pick the foam on the fly, without stopping the belt, recognizing its random position and placing them into the stainless steel channels for a later mechanic compression and insertion into the cups. After each feeding station, a set of sensors control the right position of the elements, resulting in a perfect control of good-bad products traceability. IPA dispensing. A pressurized tank supplies the alcohol through a decanter to avoid bubbles in the IPA. After that, 4 precision valves dose the exact quantity of alcohol over the foams. Foil unwinding station. The machine unwinds a foil roll by indexing it with a stainless steel belt, while an inkjet printer marks a Julian date on the backside of the foil. So, every part produced in the machine will be identified with the date of production. Cups welding station. The cups coming from the previous stations are lifted towards the foil to perform the welding operation. A dynamic correction device measures the foil distance between every eye spot and gives a position adjustment to a servo-driven device which will allow the cup to be welded correctly against the printed art. The system is able to adjust its position in order to absorb differences in printed distance between black spots, resulting in a more accurate and flexible system. Die cut station. Once the parts are welded, a die cut system cuts the lids with the desired geometry while 8 lower vacuum fingers extract the parts and return them back to the stainless steel conveyor. To deliver the best quality cutting results, only 2 microns of millimeter play is allowed between the punches and the die cut element. This is only achieved with the best available machining technologies. Welding and cutting stations are perfectly synchronized through a cam-followed system that allows performing the multiple needed tasks in a minimized cycle time. Good parts unloading station. Through a traceability system, the PLC controls all the good parts at every stage. At the end of the conveyor, only the ones recognized as good ones are unloaded with a pick-and-place that delivers the parts in 2 separate channels. Bad parts unloading station. Those parts that could not achieve all the machine controls are automatically rejected and then separated in 2 different trays, one for parts with alcohol and the other for the rest.
Mondragon Assembly. With us, it's possible.